Show me life, show me love. Make a change, time is up. We can wait for better days, but the days won't come. Show me life, show me love. Show me life, show me love. Make a change, time is up. We can wait for better days, but the days won't come. Show me life, show me love. This is all we got. Show me life, show me love. This is all we got. Show me love, show me love. This is all we got. Show me love, show me love. This is all we got. Show me love. This is all we got. Show me love. Show me love. Show me life. Show me love. This is all.
Let's get the video started, guys. You guys can probably tell it's vlog day. At the pet store right now, our fish tank that we got a couple months ago, the filter tank suddenly stopped working. So before the fish is all choked to death, I'm gonna go get a new filter. Today is when the work is gonna begin in our backyard as well. I won't be there to show you guys most of what's going on because I'm helping a friend move. So it's a busy day today. So come along, guys. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Let's go into PetSmart and see if I can get an aquarium, not an aquarium, but a tank filter at an affordable price. Let's go, guys. Find someone to speak with. Hey, how's it going? Not bad. I'm trying to see if you guys have any filter pump.
Filter pumps?
Yeah, for a 5 gallon. At an affordable price.
Specifically for a pump or just a filter itself?
Well, everything just stopped working. So
Your whole filter just stopped working?
yeah, like I don't know why. It just so the fishes are about to choke to death.
Oh, that's
Yeah.
Oh no. Yeah, so we have. So I know we have this one, but it's a little bit less expensive, but a little bit less quality.
Okay.
This is up to 10, so this would be okay for
Okay.
a 5 gallon, and I believe it should come with everything.
Sweet.
Yeah, it looks like it.
$25.
Yeah,
That's not bad.
and I think that's it. It's up to 20, so it'd probably be better to get this one.
Yeah.
In general, though, I do recommend getting sponge filters. They are a little bit more expensive because you do need more equipment, but I find that they last a lot longer than these filters do as well, so they are a worthy investment. We don't have any sponge filters here. They have them at Petland, so
Yeah.
if you want to try your options. But
The one I have is actually the sponge filter right now. And yeah, I don't know why it just stopped working.
damn, that sucks.
Because usually it just automatically kicks in once the water level is a certain level, right?
Yeah.
I've tried cleaning it, I've tried everything, and so yeah. So I'm gonna try this one and then probably invest in another sponge one sometime in the future.
Yeah, and if this is this has like a little, I'll show you more back here. It has like a little intake like this. If it does start being too strong for the fish, you can put a piece of foam over it. So any aquarium foam, I believe we have some biofoam. I know that Petland has better options for foam in general though.
Okay.
They have a lot more shapes.
So when you say too strong, are you thinking as very powerful? kind of thing?
Yeah, like it can suck in too much and then they might get stuck on the filter. It's not always like the case, but it's best if like if it does happen, you do have like options like hopefully these ones. But I know that they have at Petland they have bigger ones that you can kind of shape to your filter.
I'll go with this for now, and then I'll wing it. See how it works. Okay. Thank you. Not too bad. So let's test this guy out. Let's go. Not too bad.
Do you have a phone number with us?
I might. 780-814. Okay, guys, let's go home and get this guy going. Hopefully it works. Right now, the fish tank is not the cleanest. So, but let's go and look at it. Alright guys, so fingers crossed that this one actually work. Unplug it in first. Yes guys, so that is working good and fine. Yes guys, so that is working perfectly. Now I'm just opening up the back gate and stuff. That's we're not there when my guy reach, but him probably going to watch by my put this in. Let's try over here. So yeah, the lock the gate thing. Right up on this thing. Why? Because it's okay for me, for adults, but for kids like you need shoes or socks. No, don't take off your socks. I mean, why? Can we say don't take it off? Why are you crying now? Why is she crying now? Alright guys, so everything is sorted out in the backyard. No, going on the road for a little while to help some friends do some moving. Alright guys, we're about to start this truck. Funny. Hey guys, good morning. It's the next day. Yesterday was such a busy day for me. I helped my friend move. That took me roughly 5 to 6 hours, and by the end of it, I was done. Right? I was out of commission for the latter part of the evening, but I still found time to take Nats out on a quick date. It was the eve of Mother's Day, so I wanted to just take her out for a nice meal and just have a little bit of fun before we actually get into Mother's Day, which is today when you guys are actually seeing this video. So it would be remiss of me not to start this part of the video without wishing all the beautiful mothers out there a happy Mother's Day. You guys do a thankless job oftentimes. Nobody sees the sacrifices that you make, the patience that you have to exude, the strength that you have to constantly display, even when dads are not in the picture for a lot of cases for many women, right? In a lot of cases for many women. So if you're watching this video right now and you're a mom, I want to say that today is the day that the world paused to celebrate you. And being a mother looks different for everyone. You could be caring for your own children biologically, or you could be caring for children that is not yours biologically. Whatever the case may be, today is your day, just the same. If you're a single mother, happy Mother's Day. If you're a mother with a good partner, happy Mother's Day. It's still your day to celebrate. If you are a mother who have lost a child, happy Mother's Day to you. And today is a day that is gonna be painful, I know, but we still celebrate you. And if you're a mother caring for a special needs or neurodivergent child, I want to send the world of strength in your direction today. I hope that today you get a little bit of a break from your daily routine and you find the opportunity to just make some time to spend with yourself, right? Some self-care, some me time, and know that we understand and we see you. We know what you're going through. I want to say enough big up to each and every one of you guys. And now let's talk to all the men. If you're a man watching this and you have a child, please make the mother of your child feel special today, even if you guys are no longer together. No arguments, no fuss, no fight. Just make sure that you're taking care of the mother of your child on this special day. Even if you guys have a bad relationship, it doesn't matter. Today is about celebrating moms, so I want you guys to just don't be selfish today and take care of the mother of your child or your children today. All right, that's enough going on and on. Well, I'm gonna start this video by cooking. My love language is cooking, and I'm gonna be preparing breakfast for Nats. Let's go, guys. Let's go. All right, guys, so I'm gonna be preparing some plantain porridge. Nats love plantain porridge. I already gone ahead and blend the plantain. I'm gonna blend it out some more so it can be very smooth. And I'm gonna do some kidney and fried dumpling. That's really like that as well. So that's on the menu right now. So let's get cooking.
Beneath the starlit sky, our love secret line, like leaves we soar so high. Beneath the moonlight, the soft touch your hand in mine gets me every time. Lost in the city lights, our love's electric, right? You make me feel alive. I know July is gone. You make me feel at home in the neon glow. As the leaves change color, I dive into you. When summer's fading, there's nothing to do but bask in the glory
Mother's Day. Tell mommy happy Mother's Day. Give mommy a big hug. Mommy a big hug. Aww. Come on, Nika, come give mommy a big hug. It's mommy's day to celebrate. Give mommy a big hug.
The world spins around. You're there, ease my mind.
Come. Come, no, give mommy a hug.
Like stars that never died. You and I will shine.
Happy Mother's Day, babe.
During the
Give mommy a big kiss, Malia. Okay. Happy Mother's Day, babe.
summer's fading, there's nothing to do but bask in the glory of the winter sun. Maybe this is the season of love. As the leaves change color, I dive into you. When summer's fading, there's nothing to do but bask in the glory of the winter sun. Maybe this is the season of love. Maybe this is the season of love. A little bit of paradise on earth. Gotta get there first. Can I go with you? A little bit of feelings I can't shake. They're the ones you make, and I think you'll do. And if you see it like me, you can get it for free if you're ready to leave. A little bit of heartache never killed. You're a brand new thrill. Hope I am too. I'm walking on this hill of mine, just gotta get past it. I see the lights, they're on so bright, and find my way to you. It's like I'm Emmylou and you are Graham. We're living the high life. From Waterloo to Amsterdam, we'll be in little heaven. In it, find your dream about that love. Roll the dice and we'll go to paradise. Little heaven, gotta dream a bit while you can. Roll the dice and we'll go to paradise and stay in little heaven. A little bit of feeling like I do when I get with you, like I found my home. A little bit of worry that I'm late, rendezvous with fate when I'm on my own. I'm walking on this hill of mine, just gotta get past it. I see the lights, they're on so bright, and find my way to you. It's like I'm Emmylou and you are Graham. We're living the high life. From Waterloo to Amsterdam, we'll be in little heaven. In it, find your dream about that love. Roll the dice and we'll go to paradise. Little heaven, gotta dream a bit while you can. Roll the dice and we'll go to paradise and stay in little heaven. I'm walking on this hill of mine, just gotta get past it. I see the lights, they're on so bright. Find my way to you.